What if I told you that just $50 a week could completely change your financial future? No lottery tickets, no crypto gurus shouting on TikTok, just smart investing in ETFs. And don't worry, you can still buy your Starbucks. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are like a financial buffet. Instead of betting all your money on one stock, you spread it across hundreds or even thousands. It's like going to an all-you-can-eat restaurant. You don't have to love every dish, because overall, you leave full. Here's how I'd invest $50 a week in 2025 if I were just starting. $20 into VTI, total US stock market, gives you exposure to the entire market. $20 into VGT, technology ETF, tech and AI are driving growth. $10 into VNQ, real estate ETF, adds property exposure for balance. That's diversification in one simple, repeatable plan. The real secret isn't the ETFs themselves, it's consistency. Putting $50 in every single week, no matter what the headlines say. That's called dollar cost averaging, and it beats trying to time the market like a wannabe Wall Street wizard. Stick with $50 a week for 20 years, and with average market returns, you could be sitting on over $100,000. Keep going longer, and compound interest works like magic, turning small amounts into serious wealth. So, $50 a week, 3 ETFs, and time. That's it. No hype, no nonsense, just wealth building made simple. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Lucrative Leap, where your money learns to leap. See you next time.